Need to reset your AirPods? We've got you covered. We'll teach you how to reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro and how to reset your AirPods Max. First, let's reset AirPods or AirPods Pro. You'll need to unpair your AirPods before resetting them. Make sure they're in their case with the lid closed. Then open the lid. If a Connect card appears on your iPhone, tap the Close button to dismiss it. Your AirPods should appear on your paired device in Settings under your name, but if they don't, you can find them in your Bluetooth settings. On your iPhone, tap your AirPods and scroll all the way down in your AirPods settings. Then tap Forget this device. If you're in your Bluetooth settings, tap the More Info button first. Then tap Forget Device. And tap Forget Device again to confirm that your AirPods will be removed from all of your devices connected to your iCloud account. Your AirPods are now unpaired. Now you're ready to reset to factory settings. Resetting your AirPods is different depending on your model. Make sure your AirPods are in their case with the lid closed. Then open the lid. If a Connect card appears on your iPhone, tap the Close button to dismiss it. If you have AirPods with a charging case that doesn't have a setup button on the back, double tap the front of the case while the status light is on, and the light flashes white. Double tap the front of your charging case again. The light continues flashing white. Then double tap the front of the charging case a third time. The status light flashes amber for a few seconds, then flashes white. Your AirPods are now reset. For AirPods with a charging case that has a setup button on the back, make sure the AirPods are in the case with the lid closed. Then open the lid and press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. Your AirPods are now reset and ready to pair with your device. Next, let's find out how to reset your AirPods Max. Before you start, make sure you charge your AirPods Max for a few minutes. You'll need to unpair your AirPods Max before resetting them. Make sure they're out of their case. Then they should appear in Settings under your name. If they don't appear here, you may need to check for them in your Bluetooth settings. On your iPhone, tap your AirPods Max. Scroll all the way down in your AirPods settings and tap Forget this device. If you're in your Bluetooth settings, tap the More Info button first. Then tap Forget Device. And tap Forget Device again to confirm that your AirPods Max will be removed from all of your devices connected to your iCloud account. Now they're unpaired. Next, let's reset your AirPods Max to their factory settings. Your AirPods Max may be ready to connect straight away, but since we're resetting them to factory settings, let's tap the Close button on this Connect card for now. Press and hold the Noise Control button and the digital crown on top of the right earphone for about 15 seconds, until the LED near the bottom of the right earphone flashes amber and then white. Your AirPods Max are now reset and ready to pair with your device. And that's how you reset your AirPods, AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. Some sequences in this video were shortened.